Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and today I am showing you guys my the best fall wash and go combo that you are gonna want to be doing. Okay, it only requires 3 products and a touch-up product, and you are good to go. It says you got definition. This is the curl definition you're gonna get from this. If you're interested in the best wash and go combo, you came to the right video. This is going to give you a 10-day long wash and go without having to re-wet your hair. None of that. We're not doing none of that because it's about to get cold, and yeah, we don't have time for wet hair in the winter. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the video for you. Make sure before we go ahead and get started that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss when all of these videos go up. And if you guys miss me doing hair videos, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know what y'all want to see, and I will do my best to get that up for you. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, so this is my freshly washed hair, and yeah, so I'm about to do my fall wash and go. So this is how I like to do my hair, and this is actually a new routine that I'm completely in love with, y'all, like completely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So you know, I always like, let me fix my part a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect because I don't really care about that, but let me part my hair down the middle, somewhat down the middle in the back. And you know, I like to tie these pieces away, get them out of here. And I start with this side. So I don't particularly have to do, like, I try to do my pieces around like this size. So for anybody, I realized in my past videos, I have not been very clear. So I always say I have fine hair, which I kind of do, but I want to make it clear that I do have high porosity hair. So for people with high porosity hair like me, the water, when you put it on your hair, it actually goes into your hair shaft. It doesn't just like sit on top, which my sisters have low porosity hair where they really have to like drench their hair in order for it to get like moisturized, whereas thankfully I don't have to do that. Well, not thankfully, but you know what I mean. I don't have to do that. So for the products that I'm using, I'm obviously using my favorite curl enhancing smoothie, and I'm also adding a new product as well. So I'm using my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Gel, and I'm using my curl enhancing smoothie and the curling gel souffle. So these are my go-to products. So this one's about to be empty, so I got a brand new one. So the first thing that I'm doing is basically, you know, I don't use like a tool on my hair, I just use my fingers. So I am basically, the first thing I'm doing is putting this on my hair, the curl enhancing smoothie. So I'm using about that much, putting it together in my hand and just working it through from the root to the tip. Now y'all, this is where I started changing up my routine. So I was noticing that my hair was getting a little bit like frizzy. Like no matter what I was doing, my hair was getting frizzy. So I started taking, because I tried the routine where I do just this product and it was okay, but I didn't like it that much. So I take a little bit of the clear gel, about this much, and I'm actually just putting it on my like roots and just working it down like a little bit. Not a lot, but I'm not even putting a whole bunch on the root, okay? And this is how it looks. So then after that, I'm actually just going straight into using my gel souffle. That's it, y'all. And I probably could use a little bit more curl enhancing smoothie on this part because I really want every single hair strand to be like saturated. So you see how it's like turning like white a little bit? That's what I want. And then now I'm putting the gel souffle on it and really working it through, but I'm also really focusing on that root of my hair because that part really gets frizzy. So let me tell y'all, while I'm working through the rest of my hair, I have been wearing my hair straight. So you remember I was doing like protective styles. I've been wearing my hair straight, so I haven't really been doing my protective styles, but I'm trying to go back into my natural styles for the rest of the year, just because it's less, my hair is more moisturized in this state. I'm adding a little bit of water because you do want your hair to be kind of wet. I realize that wet hair, my hair takes to it better, significantly better. So yeah, so I've been getting my hair done. So I went to the Dominicans, and surprisingly I went there like twice, kind of back to back, but not really. But I went there twice, and I really loved it. Like, I just loved the way that my hair came out. But so I couldn't get to the, so recently I couldn't get to the salon that I wanted to go to. Not calling out no names of salon that I went to, but y'all, I really think that they damaged my hair. So we'll see when we get to the front part of my hair, because that is the portion of my hair that gets like damaged the most. So now I'm gonna finish off, just basically finish off the rest of my head, and let y'all just enjoy watching it, and I will speed it up just a little bit. Okay guys, so now I'm finished putting in all the product. Now I am going to let it air dry. I will see you all in a little bit. This is the finished product. You see the product does not dry like this, but yeah, you'll see the finished product in a few hours. Okay, hey guys, so now it is the next day. As you can see, I am dressed somewhat cute little t-shirt on, and my makeup is done, and I'm just about to take my hair down and kind of sort of fluff it out. So as you can see, this is like the remnants from last night when from yesterday during the day, last night when my hair like was air drying. So let's take it out of this pineapple and see what we're working with. Okay, see? Oh, let me take my ring off. We got some action, okay? So basically for this part, it's really nothing to do here because this routine is literally like, it's literally the routine you need to be doing. Like, look at this gloss. Look at this bounce. My hair is nice and defined. This is it. So all I'm doing now is taking this Pantene Expert Collection, this product, and it's basically just a Keragloss oil mist, and I'm just using, and you can use any oil that you want to do, that you want to use or that you like to use. I like to actually, you can spray it. Let me use my clip because this time I actually want to really fluff my hair, so I'm gonna clip it up to fluff it. And I'm gonna do like 4 sections. Like, look at the definition of this curl, y'all. Look at that. Like, this is bomb. It's just like, why would you use any other products than these ones? So let's start with this. So it doesn't have to be super small, but this one is a spray. You don't have to spray it. Actually, I'm not gonna spray it either. I'm just gonna open it up and pour it in my hand and go ahead, because I don't have time for this. So I'm basically just scrunching or crunching, whatever it's called, my hair. So because we did use that little bit of gel on it, it's just making it a little bit hard, but it's actually not hard. It's just, I want it a little bit more fluffy, and I want to fluff out my roots so I can get some volume, and then I'll pull it down and make sure I'm getting my ends. So let's go to this next piece. Move on to the next side. See, that was really nothing, but this is definitely going to be my wash and go for a while. This is gonna be my routine for a while, y'all. This routine, literally the truth, okay? My hair has not like been this hydrated or anything in such a long time. Like, I just love it. I love the definition. Like, this is literally, I can make this with this much definition. You can make this last for 10 days, like, for real. Not even joking. This is a 10-day wash and go. This is my idea of scrunching, y'all. Okay, and there you go. This is it. So you can pull some pieces up, you can leave it down, you can do some up, some down. Like, this is really the best fall wash and go, y'all. Like, this is it. I don't know what else to tell you. So while I am like gently just spraying some of this like on my scalp, because y'all know I be telling y'all my scalp just do its own thing. We're gonna recap. So basically all you need is your Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Check. Okay guys, so of course you know it wouldn't be me if my camera battery didn't die. But yeah, so we were just recapping. You got your coconut and hibiscus line from Shea Moisture, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, check. Coconut and hibiscus curling gel souffle, check. And we are also using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed elongate Elongating Curling Gel. And so this is the finished product, y'all. I really, really love it. I think that this is it. This is the combo that we were looking for, sis. Like, this was it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss when another video goes up. You don't want to miss it, y'all. You don't want to miss it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.